The concept of beauty, a timeless and intriguing topic that has captivated humans for centuries. But have you ever stopped to think about what makes someone beautiful? Is it the symmetry of their face, the sparkle in their eyes, or the confidence in their stride? The answer, much like beauty itself, is subjective. While some may argue that beauty can be measured by the golden ratio, a mathematical formula that calculates facial symmetry, others believe it's a blend of physical and inner qualities. Take, for instance, Jodie Comer, Zendaya, and Bella Hadid, often regarded as some of the most beautiful women in the world. Their striking features, paired with their talent and cultural influence, have made them household names. But beauty standards can also have a profound impact on individuals, often perpetuating unrealistic expectations and promoting self-doubt. The constant bombardment of airbrushed images and flawless celebrities can lead to feelings of inadequacy and low self-esteem. So, who gets to define beauty? Is it the media, societal norms, or individual perspectives? The truth is, beauty is in the eye of the beholder, and what one person finds beautiful may not resonate with another. Ultimately, it's time to redefine beauty, to celebrate our unique qualities and flaws, and to promote self-acceptance and self-love. By doing so, we can break free from the constraints of societal beauty standards and embrace our true selves, imperfections and all.